Period. Is this the thumbnail? Thumbnail. Whatever. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new, what's getting in the hoodie? It's your girl, ArieNickoleBooking. And today you guys are gonna be decorating my room with me, okay? And so this is the outcome. As you can see behind me, you guys are gonna see what it looked like before in the actual video. But just to give you guys a rundown of like what to expect in this video, if you're looking for certain things in this video and you're like, I like that, think I want to get it. Most of my things came from Ross, Bargain Hunt, Marshalls, which means that I won't be able to find direct links to them, and if I am, I will definitely leave them in the description box below. Okay. And yeah, this process took about like 3 days because I started on Tuesday, today is Friday, and I literally, like, everything is legit almost brand new. You will see what isn't brand new, you will see what is brand new. Okay, so if you guys are ready to see the transformation, stay tuned and I'll see y'all later in the video. I want you to ride. I want you to ride. Alright guys, so this is what I'm working with. Don't mind my broken tripod, okay? But this is what I'm working with, my room right now. I've only been in this house for like 5 days. Yeah, 5 days. And like the mirrors right here, we have some pillows. I have like jewelry all on the floor because of the vanity. I didn't have the vanity up until like 30 minutes ago, and I just did a YouTube video on this. So if you're curious on how to do a vanity mirror yourself, go watch that video. We have like all the pillows and, you know, stuff like that, comforter, and that's it right here. And we're about to just transfer the room, so let's do it. This the right way?
Which way you coming? You hanging it the long way? I don't know. This the right side for me?
This way? And this way? Yeah, from this way. Alright guys, so I got this tapestry from Amazon, and I will leave mostly everything like where I got it from. If there is a link, I will leave a link. But it's so pretty. Okay, next. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add an alternative comforter.
But you have to put your sheets on.
Oh, forgot about that. Okay, so this is my comforter, and yeah, it came with a reversible comforter, bed skirt, 2 shams, 2 pillowcases, and a flat sheet, fitted sheet. So just a heads up, I have a queen bed, but my comforter is a king, because since it did come with a bed skirt, it only makes sense to get a king comforter. Alright guys, so I forgot to mention where I actually got my comforter and stuff, and I got it from Bargain Hunt. I got it for $60, but they have like this 30% off coupon if you put your phone number, no, not your phone number, your email address and your name and your birthday. Sign up for it with that and you get 30% off immediately. And then my grandma was gonna do something with this comforter. It's like gray, but not all the way gray. I don't know, she's gonna do something with this. And then when she tried to do it, didn't turn out how she thought it would. So she gave it to me. So this is my alternative comforter, which means that this is what I will be sleeping under instead of my actual comforter, so that I don't get it dirty, anything like that. Alright, so the next part is the shams and the pillowcases. So I got these pillows as my decorative pillows. These pillows were only like $5.88 at Walmart, which means that you can sleep on them, but I wouldn't. Because like they're not gonna last that long. But yeah, so like I said, these are my decorative pillows, which is what the shams go on. I got this pillow from Five Below for $5. And then I also got this throw at Bargain Hunt for $6. Alright, so this is how it's looking. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move my vanity over so that it aligns with my bed. So let's do it. Alright, so a couple things about my vanity. I got the mirror from Lowe's. I got the lights from Amazon. I got the desk for, mirror from Lowe's for like $20. Lights for like $20. I got the desk from Ross for $60. Then I got this chair. It's a cute little chair from Ross as well for $11. Yeah. Oh. And then this candle I got from Bargain Hunt, and the tag actually like ripped off, so I'm just using it for this part. But the scent is so good. I got it for $2.50. Put that right there. Yeah, now I'm about to move this mirror. Alright, so put the mirror right here. I'm actually going to get a different mirror. I'm going to get like a all white mirror. The frame is going to be white, but that's what I have for now. And yeah, so I'm about to straighten up a little bit, and then I'm going to have my grandma come here and put this up for me. It's a shelf. But before that, let me put my little computer. I have this computer that I don't use because it's not the best. Alright guys, so we took a break from recording and stuff because my grandma had to put that up and that required me to use my leveler. Quick tip, if you don't have a leveler, you can use the measurement app on your phone, which I had deleted because I needed space, but I just re-downloaded it, and you just, put your phone or whatever you need to level and it'll do its job. So we put that up. I'll show you guys a close-up of that, and then I'm gonna get some food. And we also got a lamp, and Benny, what do you call that? A cube storage bin box?
Cube storage box.
Yeah, that's what we got. So I'm about to put that together, put the little bulb and the lamp, and that'll be it for now. My room won't be finished after this, but this is just the majority, the key parts of the room, and then like in a couple more weeks I'll get a few more things to tie the room all together. But after this is it. I'm excited. Alright, so as promised, I'm going to show you guys the floating shelf that I got from Five Below. Also, my grandma added these sheer curtains. At first I didn't want any curtains in my room, but because these are white and sheer, I feel like it just ties the room together a lot more. But these are my plaques with a plant that we had already, and yeah. So now I'm about to put, can't even see, focus. Alright, now I'm about to put this together. Well, not together, but put the bulb in here. We got the lamp from Marshall's for $20, and then this cube storage thing. It's actually faux fur, so I was so the top is like fur. I was gonna get 2 of these, but they only had 1 left, and then they had a white one, but it was ugly, so I was like, no, I don't think so. But when they get more storage, I'm gonna buy some. So yeah. Alright. I need scissors. Yeah, the cord is so cute. It's like really cute. It's not a boring cord. It looks just like this. Okay, so in case you wanted to buy this lamp, it also has like a USB thing so I can charge my phone. That's why it says like stay charged on here. Like I said, I got it for $20. The compared price was $30, and the company name is J Hunt and Company. So if I find like this escape lamp online, I will tag it in the description box below in case you're looking for one. Take this off. Okay. Like I said in my vanity mirror project, I don't do with light bulb. So the fact that my grandma gave me this, get it. Let me see if it works. Okay. Okay. So now I'm just gonna put it. You can't see it, but it's a bedside table right there. So that's where I'm gonna put it. Alright, so I don't know if you guys know, but the room that I was in before had a lot more space. So like I have a lot of things in one room, meaning that my bed is like a storage unit because I don't have a lot of stuff to put, my things. So this is where this comes in, because This is where we're gonna put my hair products and stuff. I'm gonna put it next to the vanity. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. Alright, so looks like this. Let me show you how it looks like right next to it. It's not bad, it's not bad. Alright, so alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this room decor thingamajigger, whatever you want to call it, vlog. I don't know, it's kind of all over the place, but yeah, everything, I just want to say that everything I bought with my own money, with the job that pays me. No one can be like, oh, you know, she's so spoiled. Girl, I worked for this. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. I like my new room. It's my first time ever decorating my room. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoy. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm actually gonna give y'all a quick tour of the room. And yeah. Okay, so when you first walk in, this is what you see. So I'm just gonna go over everything one more time so you can know where I got everything. So I got this tapestry from Amazon for $16. I got the bedspread and everything for $60. Mind you, I had the 30% off coupon, so that turned into like $42. And then also this comforter was an alternative comforter that we got from Bargain Hunt for $20. And I didn't show you guys the bed skirt, but this is the bed skirt. I'm gonna pull down the sheet so that you don't see the bed skirt. Then I got also that pillow. I got from Five Pillow for $5. This blanket for $6 at Bargain Hunt, but it's a Target brand, so I will go on Target's website to see if I can find it. That bedside table is already something that my grandma had owned. Lamp, $20, Marshall. And then the shelf, $5 from Five Below. The plant, I've been looking for a plant everywhere, could not find it at all. And luckily my grandma had two of the same ones, and she was like, go ahead and have it. And then the sheer sheets, whatever, sheer curtains. There we go. Sheer curtains for $3.99 because those were my grandma's. Then come over here. There's me. Okay. Free because that wasn't mine. And then Five Below, $5. And then the last part of the room, the mirror, $19 to $20. The lights, $20. The desk, mirror, Lowe's. Lights, Amazon. The desk from Ross for $60, and the chair from Ross for $60. And that is my room. I'm so excited.
I want you to ride. I want you to ride for me. I want you to stay down.